So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What is up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video, which means another mod for the White Dragon 392. So right now, as y'all can see, well, now let me show y'all. Got some caliper paint, brake cleaner, and some clear over there. And why is that? Because we are putting in work. We are turning the black Brembo'S, as y'all can see, into red. And right now it's going pretty good. Got the Brembo stickers. Got all the paint in today. The front one is done. As y'all can see how crisp and clean that looks. Yeah, it's on there good too. It's shiny and sparkling. I'm gonna let that dry, leave that alone. But the only reason I haven't uploaded yet is because my computer broke and I'm waiting on another one to come. So y'all just be with me. I got the roar pedal, got that video coming, but I still need to see that down there. Let me show y'all. Oh. You can see they got the roar pedal, got that hooked up. Stay tuned for that video. But other than that, that's what I've been doing. Pretty much got these two sides cleared up, so I'm gonna hook these up real quick, and you know, that's pretty much it. Tip's still doing good too. And got sandpaper, brake cleaner, the red paint, and the freaking clear. I'm gonna add one coating clear after I put the sticker on here again, and then we should do that. Yep, that's it. Y'all trying to say what's up? Y'all trying to say what's up? Go ahead and say your names. Go ahead and say your names. Go ahead.
My name is Amar.
It's my little friends that love the White Dragon, man. They say what's up. I'll stay tuned. They fans. They gonna be on here. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned. I'll catch y'all later when they're gonna be all done. Alright, man. But yeah, that's it. So I guess I will catch y'all later. Stay tuned, and yeah, I'm putting in work. At least what is up, it is the next day, and your boy is back in the sunlight. It worked out pretty good. Kind of messed up on one of the sides a little bit, but it stands out. It looks professional, and I'm happy with the results. Yep, there you go right here. First wheel. That's how they looking, y'all. Look how good they look. I know it's kind of crooked, but so I did 4 coats of red and 3 coats of clear, 3 or 4 coats of clear. So that's a good one. Like that one. This the one I kind of messed up on, as y'all can see, a little rough. It was too wet to put the sticker on, but other than that, it came out really good on each wheel. I'll probably get like more sunlight or something, but here's where the more sunlight is. As y'all can see, stick it out. Probably need like, I would say maybe bigger wheels or with fewer spokes to really have it stand out. That's how it is on that one. That's how it is on that one. It's still drying. This is gonna be 81 today, so other than that, it's looking pretty decent. You know what I'm saying, man? But yeah, it was like I finished in like, I say 2 hours, bro. 2 hours? 2 hours, and that was it. 2 hours. No. Yeah, I'll say 2 hours. I pretty much lifted up one side in the middle, had one side on jack stand, one side using the jack. Took off both wheels, worked on 2 sides at the same time, and that's how I ended up getting it real good, honestly. But yeah, like I said, all you need pretty much is 1 can of paint and 1 can of clear, masking tape, brake cleaner, and that's it. But like I said, 4 coats of paint, 3 or 4 coats of clear, but after I let the paint dry, then I put the stickers, then I put the clear on top of the stickers, so the stickers won't melt or, you know, fall off that much, so it's kind of adhered to the caliper. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show y'all, showing to y'all in the daytime. Like I said, sorry for not uploading. I'm still choosing a laptop, kind of. I'm still choosing or waiting on a laptop, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit this up on my phone real quick for y'all, man, and just let y'all know. I just want to show y'all I'm not doing nothing. I'm still providing content. And if I don't get any new mods, we're gonna do car rides and stuff like that. Well, thank y'all for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Remember to follow me on Instagram and me on Snapchat. Get sneak peeks of the ride. But yeah, that's it. And I will catch y'all later. Peace.